Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max generation from year 2012 to year 2019. If you guys need to remove or replace rear stop light bulb, brake light bulb, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that step by step. It's not very complicated. There is one trick. We need to remove the whole tail light assembly, and if you do that, otherwise you cannot replace the bulb. And if you guys don't do some things right, you can break your tail light. So make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. We'll demonstrate on the left rear side, but the right side is identical. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. And if you guys need to buy new bulbs, parts, tools for your vehicle, and you want to save a ton of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So with that being said, let's go ahead, explain how to remove the tail light in order to replace the stop brake light bulb on that Ford C-Max now. So what you need to do, let me come and show you now here. Okay, we're going to come to this side. Okay, let's do it on this side. I think it will be easier so you can see it better. We're going to open that cap. Okay, just pull it right here where we actually have a belt here, so we'll pull it out of the way. You can see you have these two plastic things that you need to unscrew, guys. So just go ahead and unscrew them. Okay, that's what's holding your tail light in place. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, one is out, one more to go. Let's go ahead and do that one too. Okay, removing the second one now. Almost there. Perfect, this one is out too. Now if we look, okay, scan and make sure that everything's good. I don't think we have more in that case. You see that the thread is actually stuck on the bolts a little bit to the metal, so you need to lift the tail light a little bit up. We're going to disconnect. Okay, let me show you disconnect that cable here. Okay, by pressing inside. Okay, right here. Okay, give me a second to focus. Right here, you push it first in to release the pressure of the clip. You press down and you pull it out. Now, the light, guys, you grab it, okay, and you may have clips here and there. Okay, so let's see now if it's going to come out easy. So there is nothing else holding, guys, but it may be stuck. Move it, wiggle it a little bit, grab with two hands. You need to come straight back. Don't pry with anything because you will break it. So wiggle it, guys, wiggle. Okay, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. On the inside you can kind of like, okay, give me a second to push on the bolts a little bit. Okay, let's hold the camera. I'll try to grab it with two hands really strong. It looks like, okay, it's holding in a clip, guys. Okay, this clip, okay, let me show you now. We're talking about that plastic clip right here, one over there, they attach one here, one over there. So tail light came out. That's how you guys remove it out of the vehicle. So once you guys, okay, remove the tail light, let me explain what you have here. You have two right here on one side, two clips and one right here. How you guys remove them: grab the tail light assembly, okay, and push in all the way in to compress the seal, then pry that thing out. Otherwise you will not be able to pry it out because it will be, okay, stuck there. Perfect. And now we need to do the same to that side. Push down to clear the thing. Okay, it comes out. It's a little bit stressful because you can break those things easily if you pry too much. And we have one more on this side. We pull it out on top. Okay, we have the turn signal on the bottom. We have the brake light, tail light right here. And that's the bulb, guys, right there. That's how we remove it. If you need to buy a new one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can get one from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Putting it together is practically in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.